Suppose you're constantly trying to start a YouTube channel, but every time you get no good results. In that case, this is the video you must watch, because in this video I'm going to show you everything about how to start a YouTube channel in a correct way. When I say everything, I meant literally every single little thing. Starting with channel creation, channel optimization. No one talks about this part, but it's very important, and everything about content creation. And finally, I will show you how to upload a video correctly. Don't miss any of these steps, because the reason that you are not getting good results might be some small mistake that you are making. I've been making YouTube videos for the past 4 years, and I'm going to give all of this knowledge I gathered for free. If you are watching this video, consider that you got a free chance to learn a $2,000 worth YouTube course. So, let's get started. When I was doing my niche research, I came across this amazing YouTube channel. The name is Extinct Zoo. Basically, they are making videos about extinct animals in the prehistoric animal world. What's crazier about this channel is that they have racked up 730,000 subscribers with just 94 videos. And you wouldn't believe how many views they have got. It's 123 million views. Now it's obvious that they are making at least $5,000 a month. So I decided to make a similar channel like this with our unique video ideas. Let's start with the channel creation process. You might think this part is not important. That's the first mistake you will make, but so don't skip this part. First, you need a name. We don't have to waste time on this part. We can ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI to generate us some name ideas. You can use a basic prompt like this to generate some name ideas. Generate 15 unique name ideas for a YouTube channel about prehistoric extinct animals. Use made-up one-word names for this. As you can see here, we have 15 name ideas. The one name that caught my attention is this one called Primordiacs. I think it's a cool name. Let's make a small description for this as well. Now we need to add several keywords related to this niche into this description. This part is important because when we are creating a new channel, YouTube algorithm doesn't know about the targeted audience for that specific channel. By adding keywords to the description, algorithm can easily understand which audience is suitable for this channel. Now we need to create a logo and a banner. You don't have to be stressed about these two. Your logo can be a simple logo. Like this example channel, since we have AI tools, we don't need to hire a graphic designer for this part. I'm going to use Leonardo AI to generate a logo. This is going to be a simple logo. You can use this prompt and change this part according to your interest. In this case, my logo is going to be a simple sketch of a big snake head. I'm going to use this new feature, which is called Flow State, where we can generate several images with different styles. As you can see here, we have some amazing image options. Now we can check these images and select a unique version. I think this logo would be good for our new channel. Let's go with it. You can simply select this and download it to your device. Just like this, let's make an image for the banner as well. For the banner, you need to change the aspect ratio from here. I'm going to use this prompt. Guys, you can get all of these prompts in the description. You don't have to worry about it. I think this image is good for this banner image. Now, let's create the channel. I've created this new channel. Let's add the basic information first. After you add the name of your channel, click the Customize Channel option. Here you can upload the logo and the banner that we just created. After that, make sure to add the channel description as well. Now, the basic things are done. Make sure to click this Publish button to save these. The next part is very important, but a lot of new channels completely ignore this part. We need to add channel tags. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate 15 tags, or you can say keywords related to this niche. Now, go back to YouTube and go to the settings and select this channel option. Now you can select your country from here and paste all the tags to this place. By adding these tags, you are helping the YouTube algorithm to learn more about your channel, and it will help it find the suitable audience and recommend your videos. Now, you need to at least warm up this channel for a week. Don't upload videos as soon as you create the channel. Use this channel as a normal YouTube profile. Watch several videos, like and comment on videos. Do this for at least a week before you start uploading videos. Now let's move on to the content creation process. I would like to thank TubeMagic for sponsoring this video. This is a next level AI tool that we can use for our YouTube channel. The creator of this AI is Matt. You have probably seen him from this channel called Make Money Matt. We can use this AI tool to find video ideas, niche research, script writing, SEO optimization, and thumbnail creation. Let's find some video ideas first. With this video ideas feature, you can simply use an example channel and generate completely new and unique video ideas. All you need to do is copy the URL of that channel and paste it here, and click this generate button. As you can see here, we have an amazing and unique video topic for this niche. You can generate as many video ideas using this feature. So I generated several video ideas. I think this one would be good for our first video. Now, we can easily generate a video script for this using this option. Once you click this, you will come to this page. Here we have several options, such as general script, scripts for short videos, and script for how to style videos. For this topic, let's go with the general script option. With this option, you can change the number of words, and if you click this question mark, you can get a clear idea about the approximate duration of this video. I'm going to go with 1,500 words, which is around 6-minute duration. As you can see here, we have an amazing and unique script for our first video. You can either read this script and add your own ideas as well, or you can directly use this script. I'm going to use this script without changing anything. The next step is to generate AI voiceovers for this video. I'm going to use 11 Labs for this process. You can find the link in the description. Once you sign up for your 11 Labs account, you need to find a good voice first. You can go to this voice library and check the voice you need. I'm not going to show you the whole process of checking which voice is better. I have selected this voice called Adam for this process. You just need to copy the script to this and generate voiceovers. Then you can download all the voice files to one folder. Now, let's move on to the next important step, which is creating visuals. I'm going to mix both stock videos and AI videos for this process. The first thing you must do is read the whole script and understand which parts are suitable for stock videos and which parts are suitable for AI videos. Once you understand the whole script, you can find suitable stock video footages from the Pexels website. It's going to be most likely videos about ocean, earth, and ecosystems. This video is about an extinct shark called Megalodon. Therefore, we obviously can't find videos for that animal. That's why we need to use AI images or videos. Once you are done with stock videos, we can go to Leonardo AI and generate some images. Just describe the image you want this to create. You don't need to have a complex prompt for this part. It's not like we are going to generate a consistent character. Therefore, just don't overthink it and create some images for the parts where you can't find stock video. Now, you can either use these images for your video or you can turn them into videos. For that, go to the main menu and select this motion feature. Now, when you click this, you can go to your Generations tab where you can find the previously generated images. Then, select the image you want to convert to a video and increase this motion strength, then click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, that image will turn into a video. Just like this. You can create several AI images and videos. Now, it's time to edit these and make the final output. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. Once you open your project, make sure to select this 16 by ratio as the size of the video. Then, you need to import all the voiceovers and video clips to this. Let's start with adding voiceovers to the timeline. After that, all you need to do is add the video clips to the suitable places. It's not that complicated. Now, I have added all the video clips to the timeline. As you can see here, I have mixed the visual with stock videos and AI videos. You can do the same. Now, let's add some transitions between these clips. Go to the transitions from the top and add these transitions to the suitable places. It's not a complicated process. After adding transitions, we need to add captions for this video. So, go to text from this top menu and select this auto caption feature. With this feature, you can automatically generate the captions. It will only take several seconds. Now, let's make these captions more visible by adding some effects. You can change the size of the caption using the menu, and I'm going to change the font as well. Now, if you scroll down, you can add some text effects. I'm going to go with this yellow color effect with the black outline. After that, go to this animation and select this caption animation option. Now you can add some cool caption animations to these subtitles. Finally, you need to add the background music to the timeline and adjust the voice, and that's all. Let's take a look at the final output.
Imagine a shark so massive that it could swallow a car whole. Yes, you heard that right. This ancient predator, which lived around 23 to 3.6 million years ago, was the ultimate oceanic nightmare, measuring up to 60 feet long. That's like having a school bus swimming around in your local beach. Now, you might be wondering, why should we care about a giant fish that's been extinct for millions of years? Well, exploring these prehistoric beasts not only gives us a glimpse into the past, but also helps us understand the evolution of modern-day predators and their ecosystems. Plus, it's a great way to appreciate how lucky we are that we don't have to worry about being lunch for a giant shark while enjoying our beach day.
This looks perfect. Now let's go to the thumbnail generator and generate a thumbnail. If you have already uploaded your video, you can copy its link, and this tool will generate the thumbnail using AI. In this case, I'm going to make it manually. If you go to this background option, you can generate a background image for this thumbnail, or you can upload any image from your computer to this. I'm going to generate an image of a massive shark using a simple prompt. As you can see here, we have an amazing image. Now let's add some text to this. Go to this text option, and let's enter something like this. And you can edit this text layer using these options. Let's change its font to this, and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger and place it here. Now let's change its color to red. You can even add a borderline to this text as well. I think this is good for the thumbnail. Let's download it. Now let's move on to the video uploading process. First, you need to go to your channel and upload the video. Don't think about title and descriptions or other settings for now. Just upload the video and make it unlisted. Then you need to copy the URL of the video and come to this warp upload feature. Then just copy the URL of that video to here and generate. As you can see here, we have 3 title options: SEO, optimized description, and tags. Now all you need to do is copy these to your video details, and it's really simple as that. This is all you need to do. Do this process at least 4 times a week. Within a month, you will have around 20 videos, and if you upload consistently without giving up and follow these exact steps, I'm 100% sure that you will become the owner of a successful YouTube channel. I wish you the best luck.